Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying essentials: power, network, and a recent backup. This preserves options. Once done, open your security app and go straight to the alert details to see the exact file path and process name. You need that context to choose safe actions. Make a system restore point now. This prevents accidental loss. Finally, pause any active syncs or cloud backups so remediation doesn't propagate changes while you act, and keep the alert window visible for reference. You next isolate the threat to prevent spread. Quarantine the file in your security app rather than deleting it, because you may need samples later. Then generate the file hash and run a second scanner for an independent opinion. This confirms detection and reduces false positives. If the process refuses to stop, reboot into safe mode or disable networking so it can't communicate. While isolated, inspect parent process and startup entries to find persistence points. This is how you now remove the threat decisively. Delete or clean identified persistence mechanisms like startup entries and scheduled tasks, and restore legitimate files from your backup so the system remains intact. Once changes are made, run a complete system scan and monitor for any recurrence over 24-48 hours. If the alert reappears, escalate. Change compromised passwords, perform an offline rescue media scan, and consider a full OS reinstall. One key tip: if remediation fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.